Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 11th again today, and it is subject to zoology. And our today's topic is types of lysosome. Types of lysosomes. Lysosomes. Dear students, I have already told you about the lysosome. Now it is different types. There are four main types of lysosome. Number one, primary lysosome. Number two, secondary. Number third, residual or tertiary. Number four, autophagic. That there are different types of lysosome. Lysosomes are a primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, residual or tertiary lysosome, then autophagic lysosome. Now what is primary lysosome? Primary lysosome. This primary lysosome is actually, this is the newly pinched. This is the newly pinched of vesicles from the Golgi apparatus. This is the newly pinched of vesicles from the Golgi apparatus, and they formed fully functional lysosome. And they formed fully functional lysosome. Dear students, this primary lysosome, this is newly pinched of vesicles from the Golgi apparatus, and they formed fully functional lysosome. It is small in size. And contains many hydrolytic enzymes. Dear students, that this is the primary lysosome, and this primary lysosome, it is actually a newly pinched of vesicles from the Golgi apparatus, and then it is formed fully functional lysosome. And this primary lysosome, it is small in size, and it contains many hydrolytic enzymes. This is about the primary lysosome. Then secondary lysosome. This secondary lysosome, these lysosomes are also called as heterosomes, or digestive vacuoles. This secondary lysosome, is also called as heterosomes or digestive vacuoles. Why this lysosome is called heterosomes or digestive vacuoles? Because in this lysosome, digestion of food occurs. And this lysosome is formed by the fusion of food containing lysosome with the lysosomes. That is why this secondary lysosome, it is also called heterosomes or digestive vacuoles, because of digestion of food occurs in this lysosome. Then there is third, that is residual or tertiary lysosome. What do you mean by residual? Residual or tertiary lysosome. In this, it is the only lysosome where indigestible food have been left. इस लाइसोसोम में क्या होते हैं, रेसिडुअल जो कंटेंट्स होते हैं, जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड होता है, जो इनडाइजेस्ट होता है, this food have been left in this lysosome, and in this lysosome the food passes from the help of plasma membrane and thrown out to the external environment by the process of exocytosis. Though in this lysosome only the undigestible food have been left, and this undigestible food passes out with the help of plasma membrane to the external environment through the process of exocytosis. Number 4, then autophagy. These are cell debris or disposal units or disposal bags or recycling centers. The autophagic lysosome, in which only the recycling centers occurs, in this lysosome the cell debris is worn out, aging cells, injured cells and other cells. This lysosome acts as a disposal bag to thrown out to dispose of the unnecessary cells by the help of this autophagic lysosome. These are the 4 different types of lysosomes. Now we will discuss one by one the functions of lysosome. Functions of lysosome. तो टाइम की कमी है, फिर ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, तो इसलिए इंशाल्लाह this function of lysosome will be discussed tomorrow inshallah.